Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can put a logo behind a picture or object inside a video on CapCut. So here I have already imported a video, and what you need to do next is just import or add your own logo. So add it as overlay, and please make sure that the logo is on PNG so it doesn't have any background like this. I'm going to set it all the way until the end. Then just put it aligned with the object or the person or picture that you want to put it behind. Okay, so it will go like this. You can make it bigger if you want. Okay, I'm going to go like this, and then after that just export the video. And then after that just open the project or the video in a new project like this. Oops. And then after that add the original video as an overlay. Okay, click on add, and then just fit the size. After that go to CapCut and click on remove background. And after the remove background is finished, just click on the check icon, and now you'll see that the logo is now put behind the object. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Bye.